you also have self-employment tax. I didn't add that to my template, but it's basically a tax that is added to this entity level tax, which actually I made a line for. So you can put your self-employment tax over here. There's no entity level tax as there is for a C corporation, which is 21%. But with a partnership and S corporation, you don't have that. And with both of those, partnership and S corporation, you get a qualified business income deduction without an entity level tax. And with both S corporation and partnership, you get to deduct your personal salary if you pay yourself as an owner, which I'm putting here as $80,000. Now, why is it important to know all this? Basically, like these different entity types have different tax rates. So you might want to figure, like, are you going to have profits the first years, or are you going to have losses the first few years? So let's say I have no profit the first year from my partnership. I don't owe any tax then. Let's say I have a lot, like some income the second year. So I have $750,000 of revenue, $500,000 of expenses, which includes my salary. Then I have taxable income of $250,000. So then I get qualified business income deduction of $50,000, which is 20%. And then taxable income becomes $250,000 instead of $250,000 becomes $200,000. So with partnership, it looks like my combined tax rate is 29.6% for the second year, 0% for the first year. If I were to do a C corporation, if I did the same thing with a C corporation, let's see what would happen. So no income the first year. It's just you break even. Second year, I'm going from no income to a $250,000 gain. Now, here's the thing. I don't get a qualified business income deduction in my C corporation. You see? Actually, I moved down. I moved down too much. Here's my C corporation. I don't get a qualified business income deduction for my C corporation. I get basically what's called an entity level tax of 21%, which adds a tax of $52,500. So my income after tax becomes $197,500. But not only that, I don't only just get no qualified business deduction. I also have to pay an individual tax because C corporations have what's called double taxation. So in addition to the entity level tax of $52,500, I also have to pay an individual tax of $47,005. So my total tax is actually more. I was like, with a partnership, my total tax is like $74,000, but with C corporation, it is about $100,000. If you look at this, the difference between this and this. So actually, my combined tax rate is, let me fix this right here. $39.8%. So, like I said, my total tax is $99,505 the second year. With a partnership, it's only $74,000. But unfortunately, with a C corporation, my total tax is $99,505, which puts me at an effective tax rate of, let me move it back. Sorry, guys, I'm trying to get it to settle onto the C corporation. My tax rate, effective tax rate, is 39.8%. How does it go from 29.6% to 39.8%? That's why you need to choose your tax entity carefully.